Hello, good morning students. Welcome to Jamal Sir Mathematics. And today we'll see circle chapter 3.2. So the first sub question, two circles having radii of 3 centimeter. One is having 3 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter. What they are doing? Touches each other. How? Internally. Right? So we'll start solution. What will write? Circle. What they are doing? They are touching. So circle touches. How? Internally. This information is given. Very important information. So look, here we can see two circles. One is blackish, the bigger one, right? So look, the center of the bigger circle is what? P. So the distance between P and point R. This is what? Radius of bigger circle. Look, which one is bigger? 4.8. So this becomes 4.8 centimeter. Right? This is my first circle. So this I'll name as radius number 1. That is PR. How much? The length of PR is 4.8 centimeter. Clear? Now look, this red point Q, the distance between Q and R, smaller one, that is 3.5 centimeter. So we'll write here 3.5 centimeter. This is my second radius. So we'll name it R2. The earlier was R1. So I'll write here R2. The name is QR. And the distance, as you can see, 3.5 centimeter. P is the center of bigger circle. Students, Q is what? Q is the center of smaller circle. Then what about this point R? R is what? R is the point of contact of two circles. Right? R is the point where two circles are touching each other. Okay? So R is what? Point of contact. So we'll write here capital R is point of contact. Clear everyone? Now since we know circle touches each other internally, so we'll apply that theorem. Circle touches each other internally. So what this theorem suggests you? Since P, Q, R. Now you can see they all are what? They are collinear. So P dash, Q dash, R. Right? So what I need to find? Look. PQ plus QR. Together they should give you how much? They should give me PR. Right? Now let us substitute value. Do we know PQ? Look, where is PQ? This is my PQ. Do I know PQ? This value. This we don't know. So I'll keep my PQ as it is. Do we have QR? Check. Yes, QR we know. That is 3.5. What about PR? This bigger one. PR is 4.8. That is given. Bigger radius. Now, I'll keep my PQ as it is. There I'm having 4.8. Now what I'll do? I will shift 3.5 that side. 3.5. Right, students? Subtract these two. 4.8 minus 3.5. If you will subtract, you will get 1.3 centimeter. What is PQ? Look, this is point P, this one Q. So what is this PQ? PQ is the distance between two centers. What is PQ? PQ is the distance between two centers. So we'll write here, therefore, distance between center is. What is the distance? Distance we got 1.3 centimeter. Clear everyone? How we have solved this one? Right? And which method or which theorem we have applied here? Here we have applied theorem of touching circles. So we'll write here theorem of touching circles. Okay students, that was sub question 1. Now let's move to next question. Question number 2. First we'll read this question. Two circles, again as you can see two circles are given of radii. One is 5.5 centimeter and other is 4.2 centimeter, right? As you can see this one is greater, so this I'll take as R1, and the distance is what? This I'll take as 5.5 centimeter. Then second is what? 4.2, this one is smaller, R2, this I'll take 4.2 centimeter. But what they are doing? They are touching each other. How? Externally. So two circles touches each other externally, not internally. They are what? Externally. So we'll write here circle touches how? Externally. Right? Now, since they are touching each other, look. What is A? A is the center of bigger circle. What is C? C is the center of smaller circle. What about this point B? What this point B is? So point B is what? Point of contact of two circles. Clear everyone? So let's start writing. As you can see R1. What is my R1? My R1 is AB. Distance 5.5 centimeters. Second radius R2, this one. The radius is what? R2. The name is CB or BC. And the measurement is 4.2 centimeter. Now what you can see here? Since we know circle touches how? Externally. So what do we apply? We'll apply same theorem. Theorem of touching circle. Right? What you can see? A, B, C. A dash, B dash, C. They are what? They becomes collinear. So AB plus BC. Together they will give me what? AC. Right? Now, do we know AB? Just check. Yes. AB 5.5. We have BC? Yes, we do. 4.2. This AC we need to find. This will keep as it is. Add these two. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 4, 9. So 9.7 centimeter. Measurement of what? Measurement of AC. What is A? A is the center of bigger circle. C is the center of smaller circle. Then what this AC becomes? Now AC becomes distance between two centers. So at the end we'll write the final answer. Therefore, distance between centers or center is how much? Is 9.7 centimeter. Clear everyone? When the question comes circle touches internally, so we'll do this method, right? And we'll apply this method when the question comes circle touches each other externally. And theorem name is what? We'll use same theorem, theorem of touching circles. So we'll mention here theorem of touching circles. Clear everyone? So this is 3.2, question number 1 and question number 2. I hope you all have understood very well. Thank you so much.